Oven, looking hot today.
Oh, Greta, thanks. You look...
Great! Yes, I know. What's cooking good looking?
But nothing yet.
What about you? Fridge? Got some food for me?
Get lost, Greta. I refuse to get hot and bothered because of you today.
Oh, Fridge, why are you so cold to me?
I'm a fridge. I'm supposed to be cold. Under 5 degrees at all times to prevent bugs from growing on food inside me.
Thanks for the science lesson, nerd. Chopping board? Why the long face?
He's talking, Tin Grin. Washed your mouth out recently.
Wash? Who wants to wash? I'll wash it, rinse it, swill it.
Clean it. Plug it, sink. Nobody's talking to you.
Behold,
Dad,
the wise and strong.
Aha! Master Chef's home. We're having chicken. I wasn't told. This is a conspiracy. Don't touch chopping board. She's contaminated.
Yeah, right. Me spread germs, think nos. Dad'll keep me separate from everyone till I can have a proper wash.
I wish someone would clean me. Lovely, steaming, hot, soapy water.
Spreading bugs can make everyone very sick.
That's why Dad washes everything.
Yes.
Even the chicken.
What? No.
Don't wash the chicken, Dad.
Oh, rinse it, wash it, swill it.
Give it to me.
When you wash raw chicken, you can splash harmful germs all over you, your clothes, and your kitchen. Germs are especially dangerous for young children and elderly people. The only way to kill germs is to cook chicken thoroughly, making sure it's steaming hot in the middle.
I don't feel so great anymore. Uh-oh, someone. Get Dad.
Just because you can't see the threat doesn't mean it isn't there. Don't wash raw chicken. Cook it thoroughly and enjoy it safely.